Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2014 ECE paper and the topic is related to digital circuits. The outputs of the two flip-flops Q1, Q2 in the figure shown are initialized to 0, 0. The sequence generated at Q1 upon application of clock pulse is. What is the sequence generating at Q1? Whenever both the flip-flops are initialized to 0, 0. These are JK flip-flops, and if you observe, we can write the values for the J1 and K1. J1 is going to be connected from Q2 bar, so we can write J1 is Q2 bar and K1 is equal to, it is coming from K1. If you are looking at K1 is coming from Q2, K1 is coming from Q2 and J2 is nothing but it is directly taken from Q1 and K2 is directly taking from Q1 bar. So J1 is Q2 bar, K1 is Q2, J2 is Q1, K2 is Q1 bar. And if you apply the clock pulses with the help of these inputs, okay, at that time what will be the sequence generated at Q1? Okay, so we will go in this way. For the given present state, this is present state. Okay, present state implies nothing but Q1 and Q2 value. Next, present state and present inputs. Present inputs. Present inputs is nothing but J1 K1 and J2 K2. So by knowing the present state and present inputs, we can go for the next state. Next state. Next state is nothing but Q1 plus and Q2 plus. So we can go in this way. Now initially both the flip-flops are going to be resetted, so that we can write it as Q1 and Q2 as 0, 0, and J1 is nothing but Q2 bar, so that Q2 is 0, Q2 bar is 1, K2 is Q2, so 0, and J2 is nothing but Q1, so 0, 1, K2 is Q1 bar. So whenever J1 K1 is equal to, that is first flip-flop you are looking at, whenever J is equal to 1, K is equal to 0 for the first flip-flop, by that time irrespective of present state 1, 0 will give set state. So that is nothing but Q1 plus. We can check the truth table JK and Qn plus. By that time if it is 0, 0 you will get the same present state. If it is 0, 1 at that time reset state. If it is 1, 0 set state. 1, 1 it is Qn bar. That is nothing but whenever JK values are 0, 1 or 1, 0, at that time it doesn't depend on the previous state. Directly it will be a set state or reset state depending on the J value. So JK 0, 1, 0, 1 implies nothing but here 0, 1 is Q2 is nothing but 0 reset state. Next, now the present state will be equal to 1, 0, because next state will be treated as present state for this one 1, 0. 1, 0 if you are going with J1 K1 is nothing but J1 is Q2 bar and K1 is Q2. J2 is nothing but Q1 and K2 is nothing but Q1 bar. So this is 0. Next, after application of clock pulse, the values will become 1, 1. Because 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0 is nothing but set state. The output will be set irrespective of present state. Next, the present state is 1, 1. So whenever it is 1, 1, at that time J1 K1 is nothing but you will get it as 0, 1, because J1 is Q2 bar, K1 is Q2, and here you will get it as 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay, so next, because of this one 0, 1 is nothing but reset, 1, 0 is nothing but set. So next state is nothing but 0, 1. Next state is 0, 1, and afterwards because of 0, 1 J1 K1 is nothing but it will be 0, 1, and J2 K2 is nothing but again it is 0, 1, so that your next states will be 0, 0. 0, 0 is nothing but again you are coming back to this one. So by that time what was the sequence generating at Q1? if you are going to be looking at Q1, you must look at this point. So you must look at this point. So this is the point you are going to check it. So first 0 Q1 0 1 1 0 0 again. So you are going to write the sequence in this way. Sequence at Q1 is starting with 0, next 1 1 0, again 0 you will get, because again you are coming back 0 1 1 0. Like this you will get the sequence. These four states are going to be repeated. So 0 1 1 0, but what was given is up to 5 states it has given, so that you must consider up to this 0 1 1 0 0 is the answer. That is nothing but D. 0 1 1 0 0 is the right answer. Option is D. Thank you.